AngelSounds Fetal Doppler. Pregnancy, what a journey you are on, or about to start, and with every journey, you want to make sure you have the right tools to help you feel comfortable. That's why AngelSounds created the mini baby fetal Doppler monitor. A personal Doppler device conveniently monitored by headphones. Whenever you feel a little curious, you can check in on your baby's heartbeat and fall asleep listening to that soft sound of joy. When it comes to any kind of medical device, safety comes first. Here you can see the fetal Doppler is registered and approved by the Australian Government Department of Health, which is extremely important and gives you peace of mind knowing that it is completely harmless. Before we begin demonstrating how the device works, we have to stress one point, and that is this device by no means is a substitution for professional medical exams. So continue regular checkups and always consult your doctor if you have any concerns about your health and pregnancy. Once you open the box, you will find the heartbeat Doppler and probe. Unlike ultrasound machines, which use powerful probes up to 10 MHz at higher output levels, a fetal Doppler uses 3 MHz probe at a much lower output level. For this reason, fetal Dopplers are unable to detect a heartbeat before 8 weeks, and usually not before 10 to 12 weeks. The fetal heart detector is designed to work from 16 weeks of pregnancy. The lightweight Doppler is completely portable. It has a 10-hour operation time, so you can go on your baby moon and in between your breaks, have a listen to the heartbeat of your baby. You can hear your baby's heartbeat, hiccups, and kicks through the headphone. Now to the fun part, using the Doppler to hear your baby. In the box, you'll find a 15-gram sample of Doppler gel to get you started. We recommend that you find a non-irritating cream, aloe vera gel, lotion, or even baby oil for ongoing use. One of the added benefits is that you can moisturize and help prevent stretch marks while you're using the Doppler. Place a bit of lotion on your stomach and begin searching the area, with the probe starting slightly above your pubic hairline, and make sure the probe is in direct contact with your skin. If you hear something, try tilting it until you find the best angle. Whether you simply like to listen or decide to record the audio file on your smartphone, with a bit of practice, you will find the device to be exceptionally heartwarming and fun. You might even want to see if the baby responds to different voices, older siblings, or even genres of music. The mini AngelSounds Baby Fetal Doppler is a fantastic innovation that will allow you to enjoy reassurance and hear your baby easily and safely in the comfort of your own home. Take this small device on your baby moon and reset within easy as you both listen to your baby's heartbeat flutter.